In this video we'll look at a special procedure called a battery reset and its purpose for a vehicle. Most electrical and electronic systems in modern vehicles have a memory. These systems store the personal preferences of the vehicle's operator, such as seat position settings or how the windows should open. When you change the battery in a vehicle, power is removed from the electrical systems for a short time. During this moment, the stored settings are lost. Battery reset procedures let you reinitialize the memory for a vehicle's electronic systems and restore the settings. Each system, such as windows, seat, tire pressure monitor, auto start stop, sunroof and more, will require a reset. Follow the specific steps for each system. It may be necessary to turn the vehicle on and off in a certain way, or to actuate buttons on the dashboard or steering wheel. In many cases, the vehicle's OBD system will let you utilize a scan tool to perform the necessary battery reset procedures. After the necessary resets have been completed, the vehicle's electronic memory is restored. So, the next time you replace a battery, be sure to perform the appropriate battery reset procedures. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your coworkers and friends. For more helpful information, please subscribe to our channel.